right, so what we decided is we're gonna hang out with you guys on day 1 and then come back day 2. Well, day 2 we're gonna give you guys a beach walk all up and down this side and this side. All right, well, we're gonna check out this store, make our way on in, see what they got, see what they got. Oh, he's trying to take y'all out. He said it's because y'all not subscribing. He said he can't get you subscribed. He's just gonna hit you with the ball. Let's see if we hit Maria. Making our way on out of here. Hopefully this is my last time having to make my way out of public. Last time I had to be escorted out, I was terminated. They said I was still in time. I was parking back there in row 13, and I was still on the clock, old-fashioned country style. I guess we're gonna watch a look across the creek the end of the night.
Outside, on the TV, country style.
Hanging out, hanging out.
Hanging out.
There's only a few things I hate more than a toll road. Well, because I'm cheap, I'm gonna see if they take these quarters. See if they take these quarters. I don't see why we gotta pay to ride on the road we ride on anyway.
I'm sure they'll appreciate it.
Charity, I am charity. You need to go to me. Charity, charity. Where'd I pay at?
Well, you gotta pull up here.
How much do I owe you?
$4.
$4. There's 2, and there's the other 2. Thank you, thank you. Yes, ma'am. Well, I hope they don't give me for that ticket I drove through last time and didn't pay.
What are we getting across this bridge here? Y'all got an idea?
Cannonball?
Oh, woo. Belly flop. Maybe a belly flop. There's a big blue fence.
Look like we made our way in. I'll check in with y'all when we get to the room. Across the creek. Back again with another video. Back again with another video. And well, on this one here, you guys gonna see an old-fashioned beach walk. And well, I hope this one relaxes. But either way, still got to play that anthem. Woo.
You can offer me a diamond-plated pearl. You can send me all the riches in the world. You can tempt me with the palaces of kings. I'd give them back in a big old sack and keep the simple things.
Let's see, let Maria make her way on in and see if she can figure this thing out. So. I might watch the NBA playoffs on that tonight. We're waiting to get checked into the room there, and well, we got here a little early, so the boys did not come up. We started enjoying the pool site and the signs, and I challenged Skylar to a race, and she did the same thing she always does. She backed down. She backed down. See if we can find our way to the sand. We're trying to find where the water meets the sand. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so funny. I wanted to catch this palm tree. I caught them too. I might thumbnail this thing. Let me get a little closer. All right. How do you think your performance was today on the way here, driving here without falling asleep, ma'am? Average at best. Let's roll. We're heading on back. We just tried to find the we was trying to find the beach and all. And,
Fail.
but we found it, but it's way over the hillside there. Oh, I gotta get dressed. I gotta get dressed so I can doggy paddle some.
Me too. I did it backwards paddle. I gotta get this.
This one here won't be a very long video. We're away from the homestead. We out, well, we're recreating. And well, I think we're gonna get us some beach scenes on this video. We're definitely gonna tour the building we're gonna be staying at. And then we'll do some evening fun with y'all. We'll tell you thanks for watching. We'll close it out. And we'll fire up part 2 tomorrow. Country style. What you think?
As long as it ain't this hot.
I wonder if Ella Kate gonna catch this one. Ella Kate and old Caleb, old Luke. I hope you catch this one. All right, let's head on back. Y'all see CJ throwing that ball at us?
Hey, you better
Ooh, I promise y'all we was gonna make our way on in and give you guys a quick home tour. Place we're gonna be staying for the next few days. And, we found some water here. We made our way on in. Whoa, did y'all see that? We made our way on here instead. And we enjoying the vacation. Get back to the homestead, spend some family time together. And then let's see if I get to that beach and getting after it. Old school country style. Oh, he said hit y'all with that. He said y'all should have caught it. You should have had your hands ready, he said. I almost hit him with it. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
What do y'all say?
Thank you.
Good job, good job.
Kids.
Oh, he's trying to take y'all out. He said it's because y'all not subscribing. He said he can't get you subscribed. He's just going to hit you with the ball. Let's see if we can hit Maria. It's not going to be a very long video. We're just going to enjoy Stay Sun. Almost got it, y'all. Somebody hit me from behind. That was a surprise attack. Y'all, we running him down. That was a surprise attack. We want redemption. He said because you ain't subscribing. Yeah, we ready for it. Sneak attack, sneak attack, sneak attack. Listen. All right, I get it. Y'all look, I knocked her on volunteer, knocked him in the water. Well, let's see about putting that back on. That still does well, still holds well.
If you want me to spank you while you're laying there, I will. Just let me know.
It's a red helicopter.
Color's the bar.
Yellow been a long drive. Sleepy yellow, it's yellow.
Just the swimmer.
Oh, you want some thumbnail this thing?
Yeah.
All right.
You want me to cannonball?
Yeah, let's see a cannonball. See if you got any cannonball in your bag at all. That sure was a wimpy cannonball. But Sky, that's why we can't get anybody to subscribe. Your cannonball's weak.
Well, I'm sorry, I don't know how to swim.
You gotta work on that cannonball. Is it good for you?
Yeah.
It's good for ya. Come back here.
Let's see how you swim. Did you swim out of there?
I swim big.
He said. Alright, well, we're gonna enjoy this pool the rest of the way. And we'll check back with you once we get into the room.
I got some. I got the bottle.
You think y'all can make yourselves at home here?
Yes. I got the deal.
Alright, let's go on the inside. I'll show you guys the inside of the place. Oh, nice bedroom. Nice bathroom. Well, it does like it ought to. Lights work, got good power. Not gonna need no generator. Huh, kinda cozy, kinda cozy, kinda cozy. We just got off the phone with the gentleman, who rented the place to us. And well, he was a nice guy. You know, he helped us get all set up and get our way in. And we're gonna be making our beach rooms out of this place here. Turn that on now. See if old Anthony Edwards can slow down Kyrie tonight on that TV. Oh, nice boat, nice boat, nice boat. Old school castaway boat.
A boat.
We're here enjoying us a quick lunch snack before we get out. And we're gonna walk that beach line. Checking out these pictures here on the fridge. And as always, gonna cross the creek. A little disagreement got struck up.
It's good for ya.
That's not exactly what I was telling them. We're talking about who's voting for the... Whoa. Anyhow, Skylar, which one do you think looks better? Did you think
Aubrey?
this one here was done by Aubrey? She's 10 years old. And this one here was done by Brianna. She's 7 years old. This girl here is in the 7th grade. Oh, second grade. Sorry, baby girl.
That one's in the 4th.
What grade should you be in, baby?
4th.
4th grade. Who you think ran away with that thing? Who you think won it?
Aubrey. Aubrey.
You voting for Aubrey?
Aubrey. Aubrey.
Y'all, we should have a contest. We should have all 3 of y'all draw y'all's pictures and put them up here with Aubrey and
That's a good idea.
Brianna's.
I should have looked my house.
That's a good idea.
Coloring contest.
Well, I'm thinking Brianna went off that thing. She got good waves in the bottom of there. And that sun's big and look like it's hot. Hot as it is today.
Why would you use that one? Come on, look at Aubrey's. Give her some credit.
Alright, we're gonna finish this lunch up. Maybe walk that beach line, who knows. You can get in right here. Go in. Yeah. Good job, good job, good job. Give me y'all a little scene, little beach scene, beach tour. Let's see if we can make our way on in. Let's try this way. It says you gotta watch out for the rip currents. Stay on that side, inside. Hey. We gonna make our way out to the sand. See if we can catch us some sand crabs. Build us some sand dunes. Thank you. Huh? What'd you say, baby girl?
This is gonna be fun.
Leave no trace, leave no trace.
Sand.
Baby girl, you think you can jump on that thing and fire it up?
No. I will keep right there.
See what we can do?
Sand party. I can't walk on this stuff.
What?
You think I can do a cartwheel on it?
Get out here and go to building us up some sand castles. Well, we finally found a spot where the water meets the sand. Looks like they made their way on in once again. Y'all sorry about that wind noise. Well, on this beach episode, nothing I can hardly do about the wind noise. Y'all look, I forgot to take off my shoes. Ooh, I stepped right in the sand. Super wet now. Sorry, y'all. Got a little wet. I got my phone in my pocket too, so I can't go too far. You saw what? A shark too. You didn't get him? I gotta try to get pictures of y'all and keep my eyes on these two because they run. Smile! Thumbnail! Baby, look! Alright, that's good. Day 2, we're gonna crank you guys up a beach walk. What's up, man? Hey! That guy getting after, he's swimming loose in that water, old school style. I said it's gonna be a quick video, but with that wind noise, well, Rachel, if you happen to catch this one, well, we appreciate you. But I left that microphone at home again today, and well, country style wide open, trying to get some of the view out here. Ooh, I gotta get my pocket. I gotta get my phone out that pocket. Look like they riding them banana boats out there. I'm talking about getting after it, getting after it, getting after it. We're gonna see if we can get on out here. Let's see. There's yellow boats way in the distance out there as far as you can see. And then, well, there's a blue boat going too. I don't know if that's picking that up or not. We're gonna make our way this way. We're gonna circle the area. And Well, we'll get after the old school style. Old school style. Nothing. Oh, the waves come in. Sound like you got an excuse. Sound like you got an excuse. Alright, well guys, you guys enjoy the beach walk, enjoy the view, enjoy the scene, and well, pretend like you're at the beach. Well, I'm gonna walk you guys around, and we'll circle back. Enjoying it. It's been a nice beach. Water's clean. Pretty cool place to go. I believe the Atlantic's that way. Y'all look at that big stick there. Y'all see that big stick rush up on the bank there? I don't know what that is. What's it? Y'all look at that boat coming in over there, flying. Looks like this one backs up to a restaurant. They're giving the banana boat rides on this side. But back on this side over here, it backs up to a restaurant. And well, it makes the water clean. It should come on in like it should. It should come in on both sides. The water comes in and does like it's supposed to. Does like it's supposed to. We're gonna keep making our way on down, make our way on through. See what else it is we can get ourselves into. We're gonna circle up behind the boat here, where they got the boat set up. Well, right here, we're gonna circle up around and back and get back to our area. I figure this is a good break-off spot for us. We'll check the back side and come back, and we'll finish the other side of the coast as well. Let's get on back. Well, I was gonna put you some commentary in this, but in this video, well, I'm deciding to talk as less as possible. Well, the sound of the waves there, well, that right there is enough to really get you energized and going anyway. He said he's trying to get away from here. I hope he don't clamp. Some kind of crab we caught here. I'm not sure what kind it is.
Oh, you gonna get the bucket?
Alright, well, we're done with the water now. We're making our way on back. We're gonna get out of here. Maybe crank up some dinner, ice cream, who knows. And then we're gonna tell y'all thanks for watching. Come on, guys, let's go. Obviously, by that view there, well, we've made it back to the area we're staying in. And well, we had a good time playing and having fun, building castles and all, try to catch them crabs and all. Well, we're gonna hit up the next shop, carry y'all with us, and well, see what we come across. Let's roll. All right, well, we're gonna check out this store, make our way on in, see what they got, see what they got.
They're similar, but not.
Some good old fishing nets. I wonder if I can give me some of these in Tennessee orange. Excuse the language, guys. She just said she try hard. Let's go look at some of these sweaters over here. I like the swimmer truck too. Them guys are cool too. I'm liking the Luca one and well, Curry one. Those are all nice sweaters, beach towels there. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
On the wall over there.
Let's play a fun game. A lot of husbands probably play this game in grocery stores with their wife. But the name of this game is, well, let's see if we can find Maria. I believe she went that way. I like them shoes right there. They're pretty nice. Oh, Birkenstocks. That ain't really my speed. Oh, there they are. See anything you like?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
A turtle.
That's cool.
Seen cooler. Seen
How
cooler.
do they even stitch it?
I like these turtles.
No, I
Where's the t-shirt? Did you already find it?
No, I was just being nosy.
What?
In front, guys. In front.
What's that sofa?
Yeah.
Look how cool this is, y'all.
Where's them teeth?
Shark teeth.
Ooh, can I get one?
We got a shark teeth necklace.
Shark teeth necklace? Oh. See one?
we're gonna keep making our way, checking out this building, and we'll let you guys see what we decide to get. Let's see what y'all got. Well, they made their selections, and well, I didn't help them much. They said that's what they wanted on their own. And I guess you could say gonna spray Big Sister with it. We're gonna cash out and get out of here, and well, see if we can raise some trouble tonight. But we tell them thanks for watching. Y'all ready?
Yes. The door can open too.
We gotta see if we can find Mom.
Not, it's just what it's gonna have to do.
We left her over here. It don't sound like she's still over here. Oh, there she is. You ready? You ready to go now?
I think so.
All right, let's go.
The door can open too.
Oh, cool.
Both the doors.
That is pretty neat.
Skylar, what'd you get? What is that? Oh, necklace?
Diamond necklace.
That's cool.
I had to trade. Oh, it's just a keychain. I
What
love.
are you gonna attach it to?
My heart?
Oh, that's a good answer. All right, we took you guys with us in and out each store. We're gonna bring you with us as we pick up our groceries, some stuff to fill up our pantry, or we can operate on for the next couple of days. That watermelon look good, but it ain't homegrown. All right, we got most of our snacks run down, and well, it's lines as far as you can see. We're gonna wait to so we can check out of here, see if we can get home, see if I eat some of it. How you feeling, baby girl?
Good.
So she's exhausted. She's giving it everything she got. Well, you can't have your cake, your toppings, and your ice cream.
Yeah, you have to miss one.
You got an old-fashioned ice cream cone. That's gonna be a heck of a start.
Yeah. Better than nothing.
See, Mama, she does like the rain. Bella does like the rain. Told ya. Oh.
I like that nickname, Ziggy. How'd I do, loading them in there, Ziggy?
Oh yeah.
You think I can get my job back?
No, fire.
They said I was stealing time.
On the spot.
106.
I got it somewhere. Yeah, he took me in back, one of them back offices back there. He said, I got you on the camera. You've been sitting down. You're on the clock. So I'm tired. I'm tired, Ziggy.
Oh.
Don't go now. Don't go yet. We got this next load coming.
Both are running together, though. Ziggy, let me leave this with you, man. When you get home off tonight, scan that on YouTube.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Well, have a good time.
Yes, sir. All right. Making our way on out of here. Hopefully this is my last time having to make my way out of public. Last time I had to be escorted out, I was terminated. They said I was still in time. I was parking back there in row 13, and I was still on the clock, old-fashioned country style. That's right, license suspended and all, but I still had keys, but I was still finding my way to work.
You got keys, don't
Uh-huh.
No.
We're gonna get back to this room here where we're gonna start lunch and dinner. We're gonna tell y'all thanks for watching, and well, y'all check in a few days for part 2 of this thing. All right, guys, so nightfall is falling, woo, and well, we hanging this thing up old school style, but I just had to negotiate. Well, almost a hostage situation on the frisbee. There's some kids at the pool, and a new subscriber we got here, husband and wife. Very nice lady. Well, I hate to have to call her Karen, but she's one of the nicest Karens I ever met for in my life. So don't take that derogatory. And she's in town with a friend, and they're having a good time there. And the noise there just kind of, I guess, bothered the dog some. And I guess I understand that too. But them kids are throwing out old school style. That pool is not where we're gonna close the show, but if our new subscribers do catch this one, well, y'all at that pool, well, we want you to know, well, we enjoying the place, and well, the fish ain't biting none, but we here. Woo. Oh, what y'all got going on in here? Well, we in the dugout, y'all. This is the outside. It's connected from the outside pool area to the patio, and well, to this area here. That's where the boys hang out. What y'all got going on in here? I know daggone well it don't already smell like Doritos and corn chips. Woo. They got them crabs in there trizzling. Let me see that alligator tail if you don't mind, dude. Ain't this thing brand new?
It's brand new.
That right there said he ain't doing too well. Then right there said he want to go back across the creek. And then right there said DJ been worrying the heck out of him. Feeling him too much. He ain't gonna make it. Woo.
Yeah, doggies. Thanks for watching.
Well, I was gonna play the outro and say doo-doo, but I guess we're gonna end it on that note. We're gonna wrap this one up. We encourage you to check back in the next day or so. Well, come tomorrow when we get up and get going. Well, we're gonna have some old school, I'm talking about an old school beach tour going on this thing. Y'all look at Diddy. Diddy, tell him thanks for watching. Tell him. He said, nah, he in too much trouble right now. Get that camera off of him. Thanks for watching.